Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily Bitcoin analysis for May 4th. Last week, we saw the price rise to the $79,485 level, reacting for the second time to the monthly and weekly FVG zone, and then it pulled back from that level. After witnessing over 6% volatility.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
In Bitcoin's price last week, the weekly candle finally closed around $78,580. But with the start of this week, the price has managed to penetrate the weekly FVG zone through the upward movement recorded so far. By examining the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin's price has been in a bullish structure since the beginning of last month, consistently recording higher highs and higher lows. In this bullish structure, the price broke out of its previous range, and now, with the start of this week, the price has powerfully broken above its previous high levels. If we see the daily candle close above the previous high today, we can consider this upward movement to be ongoing. We are currently reviewing the inflow and outflow of liquidity into Bitcoin ETF funds. Here we can see that after witnessing capital outflows from these funds in the early days of last week, a large capital inflow finally occurred on Friday, and as a result of this inflow, a total of over $148 million entered these funds last week. You also see the Fear and Greed Index, which is currently at 47, placing it in the neutral zone. This number had dropped into the fear zone last week. We are currently examining the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that after the price broke an order block zone to the upside, it reacted to the mentioned FVG area, and after a short-term correction, we had another rejection from this zone. In the rejection that occurred, the price dropped to the 4-hour order block zone, and after falling to the $75,000 range, it found good support here, leading to a powerful upward move in Bitcoin's price. With the upward move that took place, the price rose to the $80,600 range for the first time in 2 months and is now fluctuating within the FVG zone. Given this upward movement and the capital inflows into ETF funds, we will consider Bitcoin sentiment to be bullish for the medium term. For a better prediction, we will examine the Bitcoin liquidity map. Here we can see that the highest sell-side liquidity is located in the $79,230 range, while on the opposite side, we'll have good buy-side liquidity above the previous high and the $80,800 price. We are currently examining the 1-hour time frame. The sell-side liquidity we mentioned can be seen in the 1-hour FVG zone and the closing range of the previous high candles. If the price continues to drop and can collect the liquidity in this range with a shadow, we can enter a buy position. Because as you can see here, we can observe our strategy number 4, where the price is approaching a key level like the 1-hour FVG with bearish candles. And in the last bearish candle, the price couldn't close lower than its previous candle. If it can sweep the internal liquidity in this candle and return upwards, we will enter a buy position and follow the risk to reward ratio targets of 1:2 and 1:3. Good luck and be profitable.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.